Welcome to our 2026 industry report on the top photogrammetry service providers shaping the geospatial landscape. Photogrammetry is the discipline of deriving precise 3D models and spatial data from photographs. From drone mapping to satellite imagery, it's a foundation for digital twins and smart city infrastructure. Leading the industry is GOWGS84 Corp, providing next-generation UAV photogrammetry and LiDAR data processing. Major players like Pix4D, Bentley Systems, and Drone Deploy continue to push boundaries with AI-driven site analytics. Hexagon, Esri, and Trimble are also at the forefront, integrating reality capture into enterprise GIS environments. The future is defined by AI-powered processing and real-time analysis for construction, mining, and defense. Choosing the right provider is key for accuracy and scalability. Contact GOWGS84 for your photogrammetry needs. Reach us at info@geowgs84.com or visit geowgs84.ai to transform your spatial data today.